can say it so.
If I get my shine ran out.
Running her hands through my fro, bouncing.
It's too wide, it's too strong, it won't fit, it's too much.
Welcome to Kingston every day. It's a summer every night, feel like a Friday. Rep the bike till I'm safe. It's like, oh my.
Subscribe to Goodvibesja YouTube channel.
Subscribe to Good Vibes YouTube channel.
Yeah, bad. Oh, go on, people, you don't know this is Good Vibes. I'm here again with one more vlog, and guess what, I'm Oh, go on, people, you don't know this is Good Vibes, and I'm here again on the job with one more vlog. It's been a while since I give you guys a vlog on the job, but guess what, we're there today and we have picked up several beautiful ladies. We're gonna have a good time and we're gonna be doing ATV and blue hole, so just sit back, relax and enjoy the wash. Big up the people, man. Don't know, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. Mad thing, mad thing. So we're there at the Rio. Show you which one. At the palace. They are the palace. You know what I mean? So they are up on guesting them so far with us, man. Yeah, showing inside the lobby. So morning. So they are wait so see what's going on, you know? Activity. Hey. Activity. Good morning. So people, these are the first two. Big up. Active, you see? Look on them shirt. Jamaica.
Daddies, bitch, we outside tonight.
Okay.
Call me up, bitch.
Where's the birthday girl?
Coming outside, bring gas, TT. Just me. TT.
Sorry. So people, we're here with our guest. This is one of them saying Mark. Tell them good morning. She's beautiful, right, people?
Thank you.
Activity. Yeah, people say Wagwan. This is the birthday girl, people. Say hi. Tell her happy birthday. Activity.
We waiting on two.
Waiting on two more.
You know, black people ain't never on time.
I know, right?
I know, right?
Black people. But the thing is, you know.
Black people shot really quick.
Yeah, but the thing is, you know.
Where?
The time was 9:30.
So weird.
Yeah, because you guys are black people, so I have to give.
Oh my God! I love you. Give me a hug.
He said we was never late.
If you're going to Jamaica, don't be the one regretting not booking with Goodvibesja Tours. Trust me, I almost did, and baby, I would have missed out on a ride of a lifetime. I'm talking about four-wheeling through the prettiest nature you ever seen. Fresh blue water, swimming, cliff jumping, jet skis, horseback riding, river rafting, Rick's Cafe, nightclubs, non-stop vibes with good vibes. And the best part, he catches it all on video. Like I said, don't regret it. Book with Goodvibesja Tours, and thank me later.
We're gonna take a shot, don't worry. Birthday girl, we're gonna take a shot. Look.
You too chill.
To the bottle there. Give the birthday girl. Where's everyone? We're gonna have to take a shot for the birthday girl.
They coming. One person has to go and get a scrunchie. You know. Hold on, let me put
Yes. We're going Ocherios.
We going to Ocherios?
Come tell them it's her birthday today.
Hi.
It's her birthday.
It's my birthday.
days. It's gonna be my birthday all week. All while we here, every day. It's my birthday.
It's such a birthday.
And all month. Yeah, and we're active. And we having a good time. Okay, and it's just the start.
Activity.
This is just the start.
Your birthday is when?
My birthday's tomorrow.
Oh.
Who run the world?
Girls.
It looks like
God.
You don't be.
I grew up, born and raised in Chicago suburbs.
Chicago.
You are too
Go on, Chicago.
Too hot. What?
Big up the Chicago
Oh, I
people.
want to know too.
Do you? Virgo guys. I'm like, it's the same exact one. That's what I'm saying. We can't help it. This is crazy. Look, she got the same fan. The exact.
Oh shit.
Yours from Queen. I got mine's Amazon.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
They're twins. We are twins.
Yes.
Big up the Virgo them, you know where to go. Oh, I love all the time. People, you see how we start, you know we're gonna have a good day today.
Yep.
Okay.
I barely use it though.
I see the fan.
It's a good addition though when you do need it.
That's true. Yeah, but I'm like, scared. You got to.
I gotta stay hydrated.
I gotta stay hydrated. Absolutely.
Activity. Yeah.
Come on.
Big up.
It's not like
Activity.
I can't
So listen, you're gonna have to pull it. You're the birthday girl.
Okay, hold on. Let me put this.
Birthday girl.
my closest friend.
Hey. One of the shot cups.
Where y'all shot cups?
Listen, she know what she signed up for already. You don't have to worry. Yeah.
I do my skirt.
The experience have to be on camera. Come on now. So listen now, good morning again, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Got no sound ready. Good morning.
Good morning.
Activity. So listen, my name is Maurice. You can call me Good Vibes. Feel free to ask me anything. Feel free to talk about anything, okay?
Yes.
Listen, in Jamaica, when you reply in a positive way, you say, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
She say, yeah, man. Well, listen, we're going to have a good day today. We're going to do ATV. It's a bomber blood clot.
Bumba Blacka. Wait, what? Bumba
Well, listen, we're going to do ATV Blue Hole. I'm going to have a good day today, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Activity.
Maurice.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna call you Reese.
Okay, that sounds good.
Oh my goodness. All this stuff is cute.
No, that's cute. This looks like something you would wear.
Oh, I need me a bag.
That's just here. I'm like,
You know I gotta give me a bag.
don't try to knock it down.
Go on.
Morning.
We're active and we're outside again, you know? Yeah, man.
They got everything up here.
People, they're at the gift shop first up. I don't know anything go. We're active and today gonna be a good day. You see it so far? My thing. Remember to like, subscribe. You know what I mean?
I need the Jamaican top right.
Jamaica. She's my friend, you know. She's my best friend.
She's your best friend?
Yeah. We become best friend today.
Y'all became best friends?
Today.
Y'all best friends?
Yeah, she's my best friend. She's my best friend. People,
Back here.
yeah, you can. You can if you want.
I'll wait till you come back.
Listen, I done bought waist beads and y'all got them here already.
I'm interested.
I'll wait till I come back because I need to get more of my
That
stuff.
is so cute.
My little waist is
Oh no, I get her for $5 and
Can't share the experience with your sister, girl.
I ain't got no braces. How much is these braces?
My bitch right now, the life still lit. Round down the strip, has $1 million whip. For the kids, the ice. Every time I'm not sip. Single damn help. Part the back to love, because she'll leave a trip. You said so. Bitch, I get lunch, I ain't ran out. My bitch is shaking ass with their hand out.
what time it is, guys? Guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? We're active. And it's 10 o'clock. You guys ready? We're gonna go around this side to take some picture, alright?
You gotta talk that shit, cause I got something to make you lay down. You ready? You can put it right there.
You can hold it. You wanna hold it?
I wanna see you.
You wanna go to a bathroom? We're gonna stop at one. She's my friend, people. She's my good friend for real. My bestie, right?
Yeah, bestie.
Oh, we finna take a beastie pig. Come on.
Where we going?
Where are you? I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? United States?
Canada.
Canada? She just accepted shit.
Ego, she love my big. Ego, she stroke my big. Ego, I like to joke around a little. Go play the Earl, cause everything I throw up, blow up. Talking to the girl, she said, know what? Grow up, you nasty. I don't understand why they tripping if you ask me. Clothes just a nice. The way you got me playing the field, so baby give me that. Let me give you that. Running her hands through my fro, bouncing.
Hey, people here, we're at the ATV. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do some ATV right now. We're here with, you know what I mean, the ATV people, and this is the. She's one of the ATV. Big up, big up. Tell them to subscribe to Goodvibesja YouTube channel.
Do not subscribe.
Cut. People, we don't listen to them. You see it. Activity. Applause.
We got some inside. We got maybe.
You guys are twins?
No, we're not.
Look alike. Around. Silence the sound.
Where Kim at? Kim, come on, man. You on the poster. Ready though? Oh, yeah. My picture was being taken.
That's the other one.
I need some person to drive it.
Me. I'm gonna drive.
Who's gonna drive it?
That's so cool.
First time riding ATV?
No.
Oh.
I'm gonna ride today though. I don't like driving.
Some ATV now, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Say we love you, Jamaica.
We love you, Jamaica. I'll be back. Activated.
What do you want to say to Jamaica? What do you want to say to Jamaica?
We love you. Yeah.
People, this is my friend.
We finna tear this motherfucker up.
Okay.
like 5 months. You
gonna take a good picture here before you get on. She always active. What you say?
This is my favorite bumble club. My favorite bumble club. My favorite one. We got the blue hole. Yeah, I'm gonna wrist out. My wrist is glistening. My ankle came off. Ooh. It is less than 1%. Healthy.
Blue freak.
She's a blue freak. Blue freak. Blue freak. Blue freak. Okay, what we doing?
I'm gonna take a good picture with you all.
Oh, girl, we hit a get with your shoes on. You finna
Alright, so you ladies have 2 guys, right?
Did you got your be nice? We the only ones that came through with the penny pack. Do you got your wig band on? Oh, so curious. I don't know if I'm doing it. I'm talking about in it.
I can sell it for you if you don't want it.
Oh damn, you quick. What I'm gonna do out here? He wishing about that for y'all on my phone. Everybody. But I can't swim, but it's been so long. Like,
Yeah? It's muscle memory.
it don't matter. 20 feet. 20 feet. 20 feet.
What happened? Oh, I ain't going to motherfucking 20 feet now.
Oh my God. This is beautiful. I'm shaking. This is why you scared? I don't know.
This is absolutely beautiful.
Is it just the one? Eddie.
I'm jumping with another life jacket.
You need to put on a vest, girl. Why you?
Listen, before we get started. You guys have 3 lifeguards. I'm Shaq, that's Travis, and that's Riley. Okay?
Riley's way too damn much. Look at him. He's ready to play right now. He's a fan.
1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah, he said if you jump in, you gonna do it. Wait for real, because I gotta record you, girl.
I don't know fuck with nobody.
Y'all look scared. Y'all not scared.
You should have put on a vest. You should have put on a vest.
You know,
This your first time doing it though. This is your first
All
time.
of us first time.
She needs to put on a vest.
Put it on the bed.
Period. That's what we like to see. Papa Rock.
there we go, me and you.
Take it off. Take it off. See it free. Okay. They call it Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. All that. Isn't that super?
No, that's so scared.
Oh, that is absolutely.
Hey, y'all fucking.
My arm, I don't even feel it. They call no it's a little. That water looks so pretty though.
Wait, nobody's fucking with you? No?
You want me to jump with you? One.
So, he's tapping.
One.
Wait, I'm scared. Wait, it's really like my. Wait.
It's okay. I feel
I
you.
do like it.
Well, wait, because I'm recording you already. Let us know when you're finna go. Let us know when you're really finna go.
Why is it so scary?
Jump with her, goddammit. Jump with her.
Come with me. Somebody come with me. Okay, I'll go with you.
Janine, you know how to swim? You got her life vest on.
Ready? You want to by yourself? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. No, he said just go out.
You jump from here.
Well, hold on. I gotta make sure my sister's good now.
Here, I am. I want to go. Okay. I can do it on that.
Somebody needs to go down there and wait for her.
Go in there.
Okay, you ready here, boo?
Yeah.
1, 2. Woo! That's my sissy pie!
Come, your time now, your time.
What I like to be that too.
Oh,
How am I get down there?
All right, y'all ready? Woo! Hold on.
Here, you wanna go together?
I'm finna dive in. I'm done. Don't dive. It's 20 feet. I can't get nothing down there. Okay, hold on.
Do what you gonna do.
It's up to you.
Oh, I'm scared.
You just did this.
Wait. I have to talk to myself.
Push her.
Y'all ready?
1, 2, 3. Almost knocked my nose in though.
Okay, I'm trying again. I'm trying again.
1, 2, 3, go!
Stop!
Bro. You act like you just can't do this. No, literally.
Who said it's deep? Who said it's deep? I can dive in. Oh, okay.
Go ahead and dive in. It's just deep. And the water's so
Oh my God. And he get it off the
Come on, here, let me tell you when you get right.
Come on with me. You gonna dive with me?
Like this?
Yeah.
I guess.
Oh, I gotta dive by myself.
Why you wanna dive? You ain't no damn Michael Phelps.
All right, I'm just gonna jump in.
Go, Sarah. I wanna go down. Can I go do my flip up there?
Let somebody else go first.
I was going, can I go down?
Come with me, hold my hand. Then I'll dive after that. I feel like a chick.
Come on, my
You
baby.
jumping in? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Who's next? He said, oh my God.
Sierra.
Oh, she's going?
Now. I'm so scared like that.
Every time we say now, now we rich it on.
Adiós, papá. jumpers over here. All the jumpers. Big jumper. Yeah, you can do that. You ready?
Nope.
Yeah. People, we active. She active too, she's a swimmer. She went underneath the cave.
Finally did something.
You should do something. It's probably active friend. Where are they? Active.
Active, yes.
Always.
I need a towel.
Shit.
Fully active.
Fully activated.
Fully. Now I need some.
Bueno. They activate.
I can't breathe now.
Hey, 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 hey. Activated! Bob Buckler, they activated the show.
We gotta redo that when we come back.
Alright.
Don't fall. I like sweet, but I like the
That's like. Once you jump out, just do something.
Look, I'm the one running late. I'm supposed to be ahead of all the festivities.
Okay, birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Activity.
There you go.
Active.
Right through it over there.
There, I'm turn around. Active. It was a good day. It was a good day. Remember to book your tour with Goodvibesja. Still at Blue Hole, about to leave. Get some food and things, you know? We have to go outside.
You spent the whole day with us?
Whole day.
The whole day. We locked in now.
You're going all white party?
Start till we get there.
Get it short.
You're going all white party? Guys, see you later.
I got my case right here. I found it. Look at your shoes, friend. See you tomorrow.
Oh, that was later.
They going out tonight.
Oh no, man.
They going out.
Listen, there's a friend, your birthday friend. Is